Hello everybody. This video is going to show you how to use import range and VLOOKUP to fetch values from one sheet to another sheet. So I'm going to fetch values from the fruits sheet. As you can see, the primary key would be the product ID column here, and I'm going to fetch the prices onto the E column here for me to find out the total value of all these products that we have here. Okay, cool. Now let's first go ahead and link the sheets. Now this is something that I do just to avoid any anxiety when the formula gives me an error. So for us to do that, we will have to enter the import range formula and link the two sheets. So we do import range and then copy this sheet's URL, open, close them, and then we obviously have to get the tab name, exclamation mark. We will import all the ranges. Okay, so that would be A to Z, or we can also do A to C. So we'll do A to C, and we enter. And as you can see, you need to allow the permissions that's requested here. So that is me getting over my anxiety. Now once that is done, we can go ahead and delete this because we've linked the two sheets now. What we have to do now is go ahead and enter the VLOOKUP formula. So for us to do that, VLOOKUP, we are going to search for this product ID in the import range. So you could have just copy pasted that import range formula here. Instead I deleted it, so I'll go ahead and just type that in again. We're done with the range, so we want it to give us the third column and false, and yeah, here you go. So you can apply the formula to the rest of the rows by doing that, which I'm sure everybody knows. Just to double check, we'll take a look at the product banana. So banana, the price of a banana on this sheet was 0.75, and as you can see, it's 0.75 here and 0.75 here. Watermelon is 4, and watermelon is 4 again here. So there you go. The formula worked, and this is how you would essentially link two sheets and do your VLOOKUP accordingly to import or fetch values from another sheet to this other sheet without even having the values on the sheet actually there. Yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and add your feedback, comments, or anything you'd like to see later. Thank you so much.